to let it go. So don't tell me nothing, 'cause you only love me when you're drunk. 'Cause you only love me when you're drunk. And baby, it's just not enough.
Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an interesting one because I'm going to show you how to do these K-pop magnets. My pen pals asked me a lot about these, so today I'm going to show you how to do them. So stay tuned and keep on watching. What you're going to need are photos, magnets, and scissors. That's pretty much all you need, so let's get it. We're going to put our pictures aside and focus on the magnets. These magnets came in a little packet that I bought at Hobby Lobby for $2.99. Right now I think the middle one is the best one. This one is the same size as the other one, this one right here, so they're like too big for the photo cards that I have, so I think I'm gonna go for the middle one. I think that one's perfect size for the photo cards, so I think it's gonna be easier for me just to go for the middle one instead of going for the large one. So yeah, now we just need the photo cards, which is these that I have two choices, either these that are not cut or the ones that are already cut. Here I have Mr. Jin, he's backwards just as Mark, and then I also have Jungkook and two other photo cards. I believe I will not struggle more with the ones that are not cut, so I picked those. I picked this one because it has different members and different things around it. Most of the ones that I made were of groups, so it was like, let's say EXO, and it was like 4 pictures of EXO and then 4 pictures of Twice, and I was like, you know what, I can't use those because some of my pen pals like different artists, so it will be easy for me just to have like different artist magnets. That's an awesome explanation, by the way. Right here I'm taking off the little white paper, which is holds the sticky on it, and then as you can see, this is the sticky part of the magnet, and I'm gonna have to put the picture in there first. So right here it's like the little struggling part because it needs to fit perfectly on the magnet, like no little parts can be sticking out, so you don't waste magnet, of course, because it's really expensive. Not really, but whatever. I struggled a little bit here, but I mean it's okay because at the end I fixed it a little bit, and it's looking good, by the way, just saying. From here I tapped it on a steady surface, so it's not like super wobbly or whatever, like not sticky. Right here I was trying to stick it as much as possible, so it's not like a really bad magnet for my pen pals, you know, because as soon as they get them I'm like, oh my gosh, are they like super wobbly, did they like them, you know, debating. From here I'm gonna cut them, but the thing is, these damn scissors make no justice for the photo cards. I recommend getting you like those big scissors, so you don't struggle, because as you can see, this little tiny scissors made me struggle the most. Some parts came like a little rough around the edges, but I kind of fixed them. Hopefully my pen pals like them either way. Right here I just cut half of it, and then since some of them have like super white, like here it was like white on white, I struggled to have like a middle for it, but I mean it came out good. It's just like I said, these little scissors didn't do any justice to it. So as you can see, I already finished with one half of the picture. I'm going to go and cut the rest of Hoshi and Swan. I hope they turn out good. After this video I'm probably gonna go and kind of cut them the right way with like bigger scissors, because these scissors are not doing any justice and it literally pissed me off, but it's okay. As you can see, now I have all of my magnets. They look super cute, and I put them next to the other magnets so people can see that it is possible. You are gonna get good magnets out of it. Not all of them are gonna be bad like these. But anyways, look, they do stick around metal and stuff, so you guys have good magnets for yourself, you know. Just saying, guys. If you guys like this video, don't forget forget to thumbs it up and comment down below in case you guys want to see what I sent to my pen pals, my K-pop pen pals, so I can make another video. So yeah guys, I hope you like it and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.